Thanks for joining me today. We've got the little city bug here, the C1 Citroen, and look at the rim. Look at the rim. We've got a dent right in there. It's a pretty good one. It's got a bit of a, yeah, bashed up the curb. Let's see if we can straighten that out, save us having to replace the wheel. Let's get the trim off to start with, which is going to be tight because it's bent it in a bit. Yeah, look at that. Get the jack under here. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's whip the wheel off. So I've got my Milwaukee high torque impact gun, which is fantastic. If ever you can get one of these, it's a cracking bit of kit. If not, just use a bar. Got the nut stuck there, the socket. I need some new sockets. I think that one's getting a bit worn. It's stretched slightly, so the tight ones do stick in the end of the socket. You can really see that now. The rest of it's okay, but we've got this dirty buckle there and it's going almost into there. We're not too far away from having an air leak. Let's straighten it out. I've got my trusty hammer. Just got to get the aim right and see if we can't bash it out. Beautiful. We'll just check that hub, give it a quick wipe round before we put the wheel back on. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's just a bit of dust on there. We'll chop that wheel back on again, line it up. Loosely put them nuts in first, and then we can whiz it up. If you've never changed a wheel before, I've got a video, I'll put links in the description for how to change the wheel on the car using the tools that are in the boot. And it also gives you a good idea of how tight to do the wheel nuts up using the bar that you get with the car, so that you know your wheel's not going to come off. Good as gold. On the hubcap, you've always got the little cutout for the valve. It's got a little symbol there, a valve symbol, so you line that up to the valve first and then bring the rest of it in. And you can just see where we've got a bit of a dent on the trim there. That should come back out once it's back on again. Just need to get it on the outer side of that, so if I go last, get that bit in last. Get everything else in first. Just push that last tab in there with a screwdriver. Can you see that? So that there, we can just push that down, help it on, and the same again with that one. So everything is in all the way around, and the last bit with the yeah, wonderful. Perfect. So that wheel is saved. We ain't got to buy a new one. It lives to fight another day. So the car's back on the road. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Love your comments. Always drop me some comments. See you in the next video.